Hi, this is Lance with ATX Synthetics, your local Amsoil independent dealer right here in Austin, Texas. I'm excited to announce I'm doing a free Amsoil change giveaway. For my birthday on November 25th, I will be randomly selecting one winner to receive a free Amsoil oil change kit for your daily driver. If you didn't know, Amsoil is the first in synthetics. No purchase necessary. To qualify for an entry, all you gotta do is like, share, and subscribe to this video. As a bonus for my local Austinites, I'll personally come to your house at your convenience and do the install at no charge. For those of you who are not local to Austin, I'll just have Amsoil ship your oil change kit directly to you, and you could probably find somebody to install it for around 20 bucks. Go ahead and comment where you're from. And if you know, any of you know anyone that needs an oil change, go ahead and tag them as well. Good luck, and stay tuned to find out who the winner is. Y'all have a great day now.